Good morning, students. Today in maths we are going to continue with exercise 5.3. The question number 1 in 5.3 is expand. I hope till 5.2 all have done their homework, whatever sums were given, and those who had doubts have already contacted me, as well as I guess their doubts are cleared now. So today we are going to start with exercise 5.3. Okay. So the first sum in exercise 5.3 that is there is 2m minus 5. You all remember in 5.2 we had done the sum where we had the bracket. In the bracket we had the value of a, b and cube. The whole cube it was. And it was addition there. So the formula that we used during that time was a plus b cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This was the formula that we used for exercise 5.2 where we had a plus b the whole cube. Today what we are going to solve is a minus b cube. Now a minus b the whole cube means now we are going to expand this formula and check what we are going to get here. So this formula was being used in the last exercise. Same thing we are going to repeat again. Only the sign is changing. That is, instead of plus b, it is becoming minus b. So now we are going to expand this. So last time how we had expanded, the same way we are going to expand it. Okay. And we are going to take a minus b, and the other side we are going to take a minus b square. Now this a is common for these two, as well as this b is common for these two. So we are going to write a in the bracket. It will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Close the bracket. Okay. Why? Because a minus b. What is the formula of a minus b square? Last year in 7th standard you all have studied a minus b square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Same goes for b. A square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula that is being used. So we have substituted a minus b in the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we are going to solve it. So after solving it, a multiplied by a square will give you a cube minus a multiplied by 2ab will give us minus 3a square b. Why? Because a multiplied by this a will give you a square and b plus a multiplied by b square. So a multiplied by b square that is there will give you directly ab square. Okay. Then again we are going to solve for the second part of it. That is b into a square. So b into a square will again give you ba square minus b into 2ab will give you 3ab cube plus b cube. Okay. So finally that you get is this gets cancelled. Okay. Now after cancelling this, what remains is only a cube minus 3a square b and minus 3ab square ab cube. Sorry, here when you are writing b multiplied by 2ab. So b multiplied by 2ab will give us 3ab square, because 1b here and 1b here. So it will give us square here, and this b into b square will give us b cube. So just we are going to write what remains. So what remains is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus, now look here, this is minus and this is plus b square. So when I'm multiplying b into b square, so I have to see the sign here. So here we have the sign as minus, here we have the sign as plus. So minus plus gives us minus. So it will be minus b cube. So at last we get a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is the formula that we are going to use for all the sums in exercise 5.3. Okay, so while multiplying we can write as it is the sign, but when we are multiplying this side we need to see this sign, that this is minus b here and this is plus. So minus minus gives us plus and minus plus gives us minus here. Okay, so b into a will give us directly minus, because minus plus, as I told you last time, in multiplication we go according to the rule that is there. So here minus plus will give us minus, minus minus will give us plus, and minus plus will give us minus. Okay, so this is the formula that we are going to use in this exercise. So let's begin with the first sum. Our first sum is 2m minus 5 cube. That is a whole cube. So 2m. So here our 2m is a, 5 is a b. So the formula that we are going to use is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So according to the formula we will start. A cube means 2m cube minus 3, a is 2m, b is 5. Okay, plus again 3ab square. So 3a is 2m, b is 5 square minus b is 5 cube. So just substituted according to this whole formula, we have just substituted this. So again we will begin solving the brackets first. So once we finish the brackets, then we are going to add them. So 2 cube it is. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here we get as 8m cube minus. Here when we are multiplying, again here we have a bracket. So first we are going to solve the bracket here. So before that we can solve these two. So 3 5s are gives us 15. And in the bracket we are solving this bracket. So 2 2s are will give us 4. So we get here as 4m square plus. Now this finished, this part. Now we are going to go to the second part. That is 3 multiplied by 2m multiplied by 5 into 5. That is bracket we have to solve. So first we will solve this. 3 2s are is 6m. And in the bracket we have 5 5s are gives us 25. Minus 5 cube. Last time I told you all 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. So now we have finished solving the brackets. We have finished opening all the brackets. Now we will directly solve. So 8m cube will be as it is, 8m cube minus 15 into 4. You all know 15 4s are gives us 60. So we will write here direct 60m square plus 25 into 6 we have to do. So 25 4s are gives us 100. 25 5s are will give us 125. And 25 6s are will give us 150. So like that you all can solve. Instead of sitting and solving in the rough column, directly you know 25 4s are is 100. So 24 4s are 100. 25 5s are is 125. 25 6s are is 150. So 150m minus 125 as it is comes down. So here now we cannot do anything with this because all are different. None of them are like fraction here. If it would be a like fraction, then we could have added it or minused it. But there is no like fraction here. So we are going to directly stop here. This is the final answer of the first sum that is there. Okay. So now we will continue with the second sum. that is there. So you all need to copy all this sum. Try to solve the sums on your own. Learn the formulas very well. Now we will start with the second sum. Okay, before we start with the second sum, we will just write the formula and keep on the top so that it's easy for you all also to remember and solve it. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Same formula as last time, that is for 5.2 what we had learned. Only the two signs change. That is this minus and this minus sign changes. Otherwise the whole formula is same. So now let's begin with the second sum, that is there. 4 minus p the whole cube. So here 4 is a and p is b. So according to that we are going to start now. So a cube, that is 4 cube minus 3 4 square p plus 3 4 p square minus p cube. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So we have already substituted it according to the formula, but now we have to solve. That means first we need to open the brackets. So let's begin opening the bracket. That is the first one, that is 4 cube. So 4 into 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16 and 16 fours are is 64. If you solve here, 16 fours are. Okay. So directly we can start solving here. 6 fours are is 24. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6. That is 64. Directly also you can do. You can even remove. You can on one paper. You all can write all the square roots, all the cube roots. That is cube root of 1 is 1. Cube root of 2 is 8. So you go on writing like that till 10 at least, so that this becomes easy for you to directly solve. So 4 cube is 64 minus 3. 4 fours are is 16. So multiplied by 16 and this p plus 3 into 4, that is 3 fours are is 12 p square minus p cube. Okay. Then again now directly we are going to solve it. Brackets are open. Now directly start solving. So 64 comes as it is. Now we have to do 16 threes are. So 16 threes are, that is there, gives us 48p. That is 16 into 3. 6 threes are 18. 3 ones are 3 and plus 1 4. That is 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. There is no like fraction here. One is the number, then the other one has a variable. This is a square, this is a cube. So there is no like fractions here where we can solve. So this is the final answer. Just substitute it and just open the bracket. First step, that is there, what we are doing is we are substituting according to the formula. Second step, we are just opening the brackets. Third, we are solving it. Okay. Now the third sum that is there is 7x minus 9y cube. This sum you all are supposed to solve for your homework, because it is similar to the sum like first and second. That is the first and second sum, it is similar to it. So you are going to solve this for your homework. Now we will take the fourth sum that is there. So the sums you will just copy it in your books and solve it according to the formula. And now we will start with the fourth sum. The fourth sum is 58 cube. Now you all remember in the last exercise, that is exercise 5.2, there also we had numbers like this. There we were adding the number. But here if you see, here we cannot add the numbers because the formula is what? A minus B. So we need minus here. So what we can do here is first form it according to the formula. So 58 is there. So we can directly take here as 60 minus 2 cube. That is 60 minus 2 gives us 58. So according to this, we are going to start solving now. So 60 minus 2. 60 is a 2 is a B. Now we will substitute according to the formula. So the first thing will be 60 cube minus 3 60 square 2 plus 3 60 2 square minus 2 cube. This is what we did the first step, substituting according to the formula. Second step, we need to open the brackets now. So for opening the brackets, we need to start solving it. 60 cube. 60 cube means 6 into 6 gives us 36 and 36 into 6 gives us 206. For example, I'll just show you here. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. So 36 6 are. 36 6 is 36. 6 3 is 18, 19, 20, 21. See here. So I told you, you'll go on writing like this. Cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, which is easy for you. Once you know all the cube and all the square, it's easy for you to directly write the answer. So it is 60 cube. So we are taking 6 into 6 is 36. 36 into 6 gives us 216. So we have written here 216. Plus we need to write the zeros. Now 3 cube it is. So that means we need to take 3 zeros here. Okay. Then 3. Here we have 60 into 60. So 6 6 gives us 36. And because it is square, that means 2 zeros we will add. This is what we are solving directly. Then we have again this 60 will be as it is. 2 2s gives us 4 minus 2 cube, that is there. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here we have 8 as the answer. Now we have finished opening all the brackets. Now we need to only go on multiplying it. This will be as it is. Now this we need to multiply. That is, here we have 3 2s are 6 and 36 is there. So 36, 3 2s are 6, 36 6 are, again we had solved here in the rough work. 36 into 6 gives us 216. Right, we had solved here. What we did? 3 2s are 6 and 6 36 is 216. And how many zeros? 2 zeros. Plus, here we have 4 3s are as 12. Okay. So 4 3s are is 12 and 12 6 are, or you can do it as 6 3s are is 18. So we can take it as 6 3s are direct we are taking. Okay. So 6 3s are is 18. 18 and 1 0 multiplied by 4 minus 8. So that means here we can take as 180 multiplied by 4. So how we have taken? Here we took 3 2s are 6. 6 multiplied by 36. Here we are taking as 3 60s is 180 and this 4 comes down and this 8 comes down. So we will just solve this now. 3 zeros, 21600 plus 180 into 4. That means even if you solve here 18 into 4. So 8 4s are gives you 32. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 72. 72 and this 0 minus 8. Okay, now we need to solve this. Now we cannot directly add everything. First, we need to minus these two. Okay, so we'll first minus these two. That is 216 zeros, 216 zeros. This is minus here first. So 0 0. Cancel this. This becomes 5 1. 10 minus 6 gives you 4. 5 minus 1 is again 4. 1 minus 2 is not possible. So 1 minus 2 will cancel this. Here it will be 1. we'll take here 1, 11. So 2, 11 minus 2, that is a, gives us 9. Okay, it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, that is 9, and 1 will be as it is. So here we are getting answer as 194,400 plus 720 minus 8. So with this answer, we are going to now add 720 to it. So 194400 plus 72. So it will be 724491. Minus, we have to do 8, that is there. So here we'll minus it as 8. Cancel this, this becomes 6 here. 12 minus 8 gives us, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So here we took 194400 plus 720. I have done one mistake here. What I have done, I have just taken 72 here. But the total here is 720. Okay. So you all also need to pay attention when you all are solving this. As I missed 1 0 here. But even if I miss 1 0, the whole answer goes wrong. So I need to add here with 720. So here 0, here 2. 7 plus 4 gives us 11. 4 plus 1 is 5, 9 and 1. Now I have to minus it with 8. Okay. So this gives us this number after adding these two and then minus it with 8. Cancel this. This becomes 1 here. 10 minus 8 is 2. This 1 will come as it is down. This 1 as it is down. 5 as it is down. 9 as it is and 1 as it is. So after solving this, I get the answer as 195112. So this is my final answer after solving all this. Okay. So I want you all to copy this sum in your notebook. And the next sum that is there, that is the fifth sum. Okay. So the fifth sum that is there, that you all are going to do for your homework. And the fifth sum is 198 cube. 198 cube means, here I will just tell you the formation that you all will take. Okay, so we need to take it in minus. So we will take it as 200 minus 2, because 200 minus 2 gives us 198. So I want you to do this sum for your homework. So you all are going to do third sum and the fifth sum for your homework. Okay, so now we will continue with the next sum.